powerful earthquake hit neighboring Myanmar. The A skyscraper under construction in Bangkok collapsed on Friday, March 28th, after a powerful earthquake hit neighboring Myanmar. The United States Geological Survey reported the quake as a 7.7 magnitude at a depth of 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, followed by a strong aftershock. The epicenter was located about 17.2 kilometers, 10.6 miles, Myanmar's second-largest city, population of around 1.5 million. Witnesses reported people rushing out of buildings in panic in both Yangon and Bangkok. While there has been no immediate word on damage from